Hello everyone, my name is Foxy and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I made my cheap microphone sound like a professional microphone for absolutely free. And before the video starts, I do have to say that this will work differently for each one of you guys, as the microphone brands vary from one person to another. But I highly urge you guys to keep watching this video to the end and apply these tips to your microphone, as I promise you it will improve your quality significantly, even if you have a cheap $5 microphone from Walmart. Now, that being said, the microphone that I'm currently using to record is the Samsung Q2U. It is a budget $50 microphone, and right out of the box, I'm not gonna lie, it sounds decent already. But you guys know me, I always want to improve the quality of my equipment so I can produce the highest quality videos I could for you guys. With that being said, click that like button if you like the quality of this video right now. Also hit that subscribe button because I'm on my way to 2,000 subscribers and all help is appreciated. Also comment down below what brand microphone are you currently using right now. Is it the Blue Snowball? Is it the Blue Yeti? Or is it a cheap microphone from China that I don't even know the brand of it? Comment down below, as I'm really curious to know what kind of microphone you guys have. Anyways, let's start off by giving you guys tips to guarantee that you guys get the best quality from your microphone. First of all, make sure to reduce the background noise, as it is a really important factor that could make or break your microphone's quality. What I mean by that is obviously try to record in a place where there isn't a lot of noise, so the microphone picks up nothing but your voice, which is what we want. For example, if you have your AC on or your fan on while recording, try turning them off and notice how much a difference it makes in the quality of your recording. I know you guys might suffer from the heat, but trust me, in the long run it is absolutely worth it, because the sound quality is the most important in any piece of content you are producing. Also, this applies if your family is talking in the background, obviously, or if there's kids playing outside and you can hear them shouting through your microphone. All these are distractions and they will poorly affect your piece of content, even before we start the editing process in Audacity. Alrighty, so after making sure you apply those tips, all you have to do now is, if you don't have Audacity, is download Audacity by heading to this link right there and then clicking on this download button right here. It says download Audacity. Is very clear. All you have to do now is go ahead and press that button. Press whatever button is more convenient for you. I have Windows, so I'm gonna be pressing this button right here. It should take me to this page. All I have to do is press the first link, which is this one right here. All I have to do is click it and it will send me to this page, and then press this Audacity Windows installer and it should download it for me. All you have to do then is basically open Audacity. So I'm gonna be opening Audacity right now. So it basically should look something just like this. I have a pre-recorded audio clip right here, so I can basically show you guys how to edit a voice clip basically, and yeah, it should look something just like this. And after making sure that you are in a recording friendly environment, record your clip or whatever. As you can see, I have my pre-recorded clip and I'm gonna be basically letting you hear it right now. Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be testing out my microphone for the Audacity video I'm doing. And as you can tell, it sounds worse than it actually does when edited. Now I'm going to be trying to edit this intro that I pre-recorded before this video and make it sound as good as possible. And before we start doing it, before you record, basically make sure that you leave 5 seconds where you don't say anything, but you let your microphone basically record the room around you, so it can pick up the background noise, so we can later on remove it from the recording. So after doing that, as I did, all you have to do now is basically finish the recording and then head to Audacity and press this right here to select the whole clip. There's a lot of ways to select the clip. You can just click and drag, as you can see, and it'll select a part of the clip. But if you want to make sure the whole clip is selected, all you have to do is come to this white space right here where my mouse is and basically click once with a left click and it should be all selected. All you have to do now is head to Effects, navigate through to Compressor, which is the first setting that you should be using. Alright, now basically copy all of my settings. The threshold is minus 12 decibels, the noise floor is minus 40 decibels, the ratio is 2:1. The attack time is 0.2 seconds and the release time is 1 second. Make sure the makeup gain for 0 after compressing is checked and the other option is not. After making sure all of these settings are like mine, all you have to do now is basically press OK, and as you can see, my voice now has been compressed. But we're not done yet, okay? So basically select the clip again, go to effects, and now navigate through the effects settings until you find equalization, and then press it once with a left click. And now all you have to do, this space should open up. Now move to select curve, and then go ahead and find bass boost. After finding bass boost, all you have to do is select this point right here and drag it down to 3 decibels. For me, 3 decibels is my sweet spot for my microphone, but for you it could be very different. So what I would suggest is basically copy my settings, see if they work for you. If they don't, try to put the bass boost anywhere from 3 to 6 decibels depending on your microphone, okay? So find your own sweet spot. If it works for you, then hooray, okay, it works for you. But 3 decibels works for me, so I'm going to be keeping it at 3 decibels. After that, make sure all of these settings are the same basically, and then press OK. As you can see, my voice has been yet again edited. Now I'm going to be making sure that I select the clip again, then go to effects, go back to equalization, and then select curve again, and then go back to treble boost. Alright, the treble boost for me is gonna be 9 decibels. For you it could be something different. I would recommend selecting anything from 6 decibels up to 9 decibels in the treble boost. Alright, now I'm gonna be selecting OK. After making sure all of the settings are like mine, press OK, and your voice should be yet edited again. So these are all the settings I usually put on my voice recordings, except for one, which is basically the noise reduction. So all you have to do is basically select the first 5 seconds where you let your microphone record your background noise. Select those and then go to effect. After that, navigate through effects, go to noise reduction, and then get noise profile. After doing that, select the whole clip again, go to effects, noise reduction again, and then make sure you copy my settings, and then make sure you put noise on reduce, nothing else, because we're going to be reducing the noise. After making sure you are using my exact same settings, go ahead and press OK, and as you can see, my voice has been edited with the last and final settings, and I should be letting you hear it right now. Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be testing out my microphone for the Audacity video I'm doing. And as you can see, this is how I actually record my voice and edit my voice in Audacity. One more thing, you guys might think that the voice is a bit too loud, which you'd be correct because it is a bit too loud. I usually fix that in my Sony Vegas program, which is this program right here where I basically edit my video. But if you want to fix it in the Audacity track, basically all you have to do is basically select the whole clip again, go to effects, and then go to normalize, which is right here. Press it, make sure the first 2 options are selected but the third is not, and make sure in the second setting you put minus 1.0 decibels. All you have to do now is press OK, and as you can see, the volume of the clip should be all reduced below minus 1 decibels. Alrighty guys, this will wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope this video has been helpful to you guys. If it was, then be sure to leave a like rating on today's video. Let's see if we can hit 40 likes on today's video, which is, if you can do it, it'll be absolutely awesome. Also comment down below if this tutorial actually helped you improve the quality of your microphone, and also state what kind of microphone you have in the comment section down below. Hit that subscribe button as I'm on my way to 2,000 subscribers and all help is appreciated. And with that being said, I will leave you with a sponsor message and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. If you don't know how to make your very own professional website but do not know how to code, well, I have the solution for you. Streamlabs just released their brand new program, Streamlabs Prime, which allows you to build and customize your very own website without needing to know how to code. It allows you to choose and customize 15 different gaming and professional themes, and if that's not good enough for you, it also allows you to get your very own custom domain, which is an absolutely great value for the price. Streamlabs Prime also includes complete CSS control, and it also includes advanced SEO, and also it gives you analytics, all in one package, which is Streamlabs Prime. It also gives you access to a lot of features that will guarantee you the best looking and optimized website out there. Click my affiliate link on top of the description for $10 off your purchase.